Hello guys, welcome back. Let's create this slide. It's look great. Let's go and see how we can create this. We at first create a new slide and we insert a rectangle as always. But before adding our rectangle, we are going to insert these shapes. We are using this. After creating one, just round it and easily copy and paste it in the positions you want. For example, something like this. After that, select all and make them union. We need to copy this text. It's really easy. We create a text and write it mountain covered by mountain. We write just mountain, not anything more. We make it big. For this type, impact font is really good. Mountain, we put it here. We go here, align it in the center, middle. Put it here. Okay, we just delete it and then align it middle. Now we select all and merge them union. We need to do is that we need to insert another rectangle. Don't forget to make the rectangle big enough and then select all of them and combine them and format shape outline, make it black. Now just copy the picture and make it the background from clipboard, apply to all. Now copy that. Let me see. Make the transparency to lower. Now let's say transition more. Your slide is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have many tutorials in our channel, and tell me your opinion in the comments. Have a good night.